Welcome back to our fitness channel. Today, we have an exciting topic for you. If you think you need weights to build a strong core, think again. We'll be discussing a fantastic 10-minute abs workout that requires no equipment, based on an article we found on Fit and Well. So, let's get started. The article titled, "You Don't Need Weights to Build Core Strength. Use this 10-minute abs workout instead," highlights a workout routine that focuses on bodyweight exercises to engage and strengthen the core muscles. Before we jump into the details, let's quickly go over the workout structure. This 10-minute abs workout consists of 5 exercises, each targeting different areas of your core. The best part? You can do this workout anytime, anywhere. The first exercise in this abs workout is the forearm plank. It is a classic core exercise that engages the entire midsection, including the abdominals, obliques, and lower back. To perform the forearm plank, start by positioning yourself on the floor, resting on your forearms and toes. Keep your body in a straight line, engaging your core muscles. Hold this position for 30 to 60 seconds, focusing on maintaining proper form and breathing steadily. The second exercise in this workout is bicycle crunches, which target the rectus abdominis and obliques. To perform bicycle crunches, lie flat on your back with your hands lightly touching your temples. Lift your shoulders off the ground and bring your right elbow towards your left knee while extending your right leg straight. Alternate sides, twisting your torso as you perform the movement. Aim for 10 to 15 reps per side, focusing on controlled and deliberate movements. Next up, we have Flutter Kicks, an exercise that targets the lower abdominal muscles. To perform Flutter Kicks, lie on your back with your legs straight and your hands by your sides. Lift both legs a few inches off the ground and alternately kick them up and down in a scissor-like motion. Keep your core engaged throughout the exercise and aim for 20 to 30 seconds of continuous kicks. The fourth exercise in this workout is Russian twists, which primarily target the obliques. Sit on the floor with your knees bent and your feet flat on the ground. Lean back slightly and lift your feet off the floor, balancing on your sit bones. From here, twist your torso to the right, touching the ground beside you with your hand. Return to the center and repeat the movement to the left side. Perform 10 to 15 twists per side, focusing on keeping your core tight and your movements controlled. Lastly, we have mountain climbers, an exercise that engages the entire core while providing a cardiovascular element. Start in a high plank position, with your hands directly under your shoulders and your body in a straight,